Hi, I'm Laura Wugger, and this is my tutorial on how to use Photoshop brushes in Photoshop. So first things we need to do is we need to go to Google and download free Photoshop paintbrushes. Most successful site that I've found is this Brush Easy site, and if you just click on that, it'll take us in to the site. It has tons of different results. For this tutorial, I typed in smoke, and we're going to go ahead and use this smoke tutorial right here. So what we'll do is we'll go in and click download and download this to our downloads file. Once you've downloaded this file, it will show up as a zip file. You'll need to unzip it and create another file. Once you open that file, you can go in here and you're going to look for the name of the file and look for .abr. And you want to double check and make sure that the file's not too big, because if it is too big, it's going to start bogging down your Photoshop and you're going to have to delete some of your files that you're not using. Now it's time to go into Photoshop and actually download those brushes that we have in our folder. So first thing you're going to do is go to your brush tool, make sure that come up here to the top and use the arrows to open up this folder. Click this arrow here and then come down here to load brushes. And what you're going to do is find that file where it's at. Just click on it and click load. Now that you've loaded the file, now you need to come in here to your toolbars, and you can see that there's a bunch of files that have been added to your toolbars, which allows you to create some fun effects. So if you can come in here, you can find out that these smoke effects are just in black and white, and we're going to have to add some color to it here in just a minute. Let's add just a couple more fun ones just to get an interesting effect. Now that we have our brushes on there, we need to add a new layer because we're going to add color to this particular file. So come in here and click on that. Then you want to come over here to your marquee tool, which is right here with your paintbrush or paint bucket tool. So click on your gradient tool and you'll come up here to the top and you're going to pick a gradient for what color scheme you want to use for this. So in this case, we'll try and use this one. And you'll run your brush, just create a line, drawing it across your brushes, and you'll get a rainbow effect on your layer. So to combine your brushes with your layer effect, you come in here to normal and drag down to color, and voila, you have your really fun brush effect. And that's how you add color to a brush in Photoshop.